Hello. Now this time I'm going to show you a little bit difference between the previous series and this series. Okay, check out. N is 7. When n is 7, limit is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. The 6 because the number of spaces that will come here is 1 less than the total number of elements. That's why it's starting with 6. Okay. Now each row, that means one row, there is one print statement here that is doing this work. Then there is one loop that is printing a different number of spaces each time. And then there is another loop that is printing one set of numbers each time. Okay. Now let me see the working and then we will come to the code again. In the working I can see I have done the working with 5, but you can see the output with 7. Right? A bit of stress on your head. N is equal to 5. So first time when r is equal to 1, you notice number of spaces for this case, not that, this case will be 4. And the numbers are going from 1 to 1. The second time the number of spaces is reducing by 1 and the numbers are going from 2 to 1. Number of spaces are becoming 2 when the row number is 3 and the numbers are going from 3 to 1. The same way, for row number 4 it is becoming 1 and that is becoming 4 to 1, and row number 5 it's becoming 0. To make the loop run 0 number of times, the condition of the loop must be false in the first go. Okay. If the condition is false, then the loop will not run at all. Now let us look at the working of the code. In the code, row is printed, row number is printed, then so many spaces are printed. So if limit is equal to 6, then number of spaces are printed is from 1 to 6. And then the moment it is printing 6 spaces, it is changing the upper limit's value 1 less. That means this limit is now 5 and next time it will go 5 times. Because n is 7, that's why limit started with 6. Therefore limit is reducing by 1. Now each time after printing the dots, here now it will print what? See, the upper limit is fixed. That means it is ending at 1 every time and it is coming from a bigger value. See, 7 to 1, 6 to 1, 5 to 1, like that. That means this is a decreasing series. And what is the starting value each time? Is it not coinciding with r? Now I want to show you one design and then you will understand what is the importance of this symbol here. So check it out. You check this, and before I print the output, I will want you to think, right? Let me check and you verify. Okay. See, the stars have come and I can make the stars go twinkle and say that I am going to print something else this time. What is that something else? Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. And once again, check it out. What happened? Nothing. Because I printed nothing. But note one more thing. Here there are 3 spaces. Look at the cursor. 1, 2, 3. Because here also there are 3 spaces. 1, then the number, and then 1 again. So the number of spaces should match. Otherwise, if you print only 1 space here, then the series will not, the design of the series will not come as you expect. See, it will show a little bit of different pattern. You want to see what is the difference in the pattern? Let us check if the space rhythm doesn't match. Look at it. It is not giving that many number of spaces. As many number of spaces are after. So the rhythm did not match. This will put the stress on your brains a bit. Okay.